see the structure. Whoa.
Stability. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
That is fantastic.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Little Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles, including Axel Carlson Reef, Manasquan Inlet, Monmouth Beach, Sandy Hook Reef, Sea Bright, Cedar Creek and Shark River Reef until 10:30 p.m. At 9:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 13 nautical miles west of Monmouth Beach to 15 nautical miles southwest of Manasquan Inlet, or from 8 nautical miles south of Clintwood Beach to 5 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving northeast at 35 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near over Monmouth Beach, Manasquan Inlet and Axel Carlson Reef by 9:25 p.m. over Cedar Creek, Sea Bright and Sandy Hook Reef by 9:30 p.m. over Shark River Reef by 9:50 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.